Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back into this video and welcome back into Nomax TV. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the free resume creator and AI tool that you can use. It's automatic and you can be able to download it for free with unlimited options, and also you can be able to use it while applying different positions, including online applications and others. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what we need to do, we need to come here and type resume.com. This is the platform which is called resume.com. And also after typing resume.com, you're going to be direct to the platform. And once you go to the platform, they are also giving you different options. The options they provide to you, you can see you be redirected to the dashboard where you can be able requested to log in into this platform. When you press login, you see they are asking you to sign in with Indeed. However, we are going to be you can be deciding to use this template which is here, and also try to fill it. Once we are done, we download it. We can also click on the templates which are displayed here and choose the one you can be able to use. Let's for instance choose this one and also click on it. That means it's the one I want to be using. You can see it is the one which is displaying here. What do we need to do? We need to come here and click on this section. We want to edit. I have to add my name. So if I'm John, so let's do everything and also starts. So now I have to add also my email address. After doing this, I have to add my phone number. Yes, 123.4. Yes, after this I have to add location. If I'm located in also is I'm gonna be adding Nexus, and also I'm gonna be scrolling down and save. This is the first part. After doing this, you can see it have already added. You need to ensure that you fill out your actual information so that you will be contacted if necessary. So here is my experience. I have to fill out who I was. Maybe I was sales representative. I have to fill it. After filling out the sales representative, I have to add the starting time, the ending time, the city. If I also it is the same way as Texas, I have to fill it. And also I have to add some more responsibilities I was used to be doing. Let me suggest these ones. You need to ensure that you fill out the responsibilities you were having when you were to complete on your job positions. So let me go to skills. I have to edit it. Once I edit them, I have to click on the skills I have, maybe communication skills, restaurant experiences. You can be searching whether the other skills you have, like web development. If you have web development skills, you have to add it, and other suggestions that you need to be adding. At this point, you need to add. If you have also other experience, you can click here and add another experience. This is another company, another role you are performing, and also you have to click here and fill out all these details. After this, you have to fill the educational section. I was studying in AXD schools, and also I studied maybe let's say business management. And also I have to add here when did you start, maybe 2021 February, and also I ended at which time. So it takes us the same way. So this is gonna be Texas. If it's the one, have to fill out also what did I started, so GPA. Now I save it. If you have additional education, you need to add it there. So after doing this, I'm gonna be you can see my resume is now ready. However, you can see this is short because I have added one experience and also have added one education. That means the more education, the more experience you are having, the more you're going to be having a resume which is going to be expanded. So what I need to do after this, I need to be coming here on download option. You can see print resume. You can be printing the resume, or you can be downloading it. To be able to download this resume, you need to log in as well. For instance, if you want to printing it, you need to log in, and also need to sign up on Indeed.com. And also let me try to log into this and also show you how I'm gonna be downloading the resume. So as you can see, I have already logged into the account, and you can see immediately download my resume, and also this is gonna be showing here. So you can see this is my resume now, and also you can see it shows everything, every information or details that I have. Even though I go back, I can even be able to re-download it again or print it, depends on what you need. For instance, if I click on download resume, it is going to be downloading as usual. This is now showing on my laptop. So this is the way you can be able to create your resume and be able to download it for free on your laptop, and also you can be able to apply different positions. It depends on your preferences. What you need to ensure is to have the accurate information, experiences, education, and the other skills you need to be filling on your resume. So remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.